Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Today's video is about the Volkswagen Crafter, new shape, 2017 on, being broken into by the side load door. Thieves making a hole in the side load door and breaking in to steal the tools out of the vans. So this is the Volkswagen Crafter 2017 onwards new shape van, but this seems to be happening to all model vans, Crafters, Mercedes Sprinters, Ford Customs, Transit Mark 8s, Volkswagen Varos, Peugeot Experts, just pretty much all model vans seemingly getting attacked. So if you've got a hole in the door, side load door of your Volkswagen Crafter van, then the good news is that we do have a bespoke repair shield available for you, which you can use to repair the damage, or which we can use to repair the damage on your van. So this shield is going to go over that area, it's going to cover over that damage, and it's a good repair solution. It will also give you some additional protection against a similar attack of the same nature, people poking a screwdriver through the door, because it is a nice thick piece of stainless steel, high quality, high grade stainless steel. So it's worthwhile in terms of a repair product. It's a cost effective repair, but it does also give some additional security. Of course, we would suggest that you do also have additional security fitted to your van as well, but this is a good solution to get you out of trouble and get your van back on the road now and repair the damage quickly and pretty cheaply, really, in comparison to like a body shop type of repair. So we're going to go ahead and fit this now. Stay tuned and check this out when it's finished. So, test fitting the shield now. Yeah, beautiful. Here we go for the reveal. Fine piece of work. So you have to be quick, Danny, or you miss me, hey? Or maybe not, because it's been a few years since I put a door panel on. And I wasn't just doing it for the video either. It was just, you know, we had a customer waiting, two people waiting at the same time, and can't keep people waiting around any longer than that, can we? Okay, we're done. Take a look at this. I should stop saying this, but I'm so proud of these things, and it really is another fine piece of artwork. I am very, very pleased with that. It's a great job. Looks great. It matches all the contours of the van bodywork very well, and it's a nice styled product that's yeah, good repair solution. So I hope you found the video interesting. Please do give us a like, much appreciated if you do. Subscribe to the channel, we'll keep you up to date with all the latest van security as things continue to develop. And as always, thanks for watching.